To those who drafted Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3 wanted to destroy Emerson Mnangagwa, the bill seeks to amend the constitution to lengthen the presidential term from 5 years to 7 years. Sarabina mashoko kudai tokapana pane BBC. Chitaura chiti ED is down for that was subscribe or like on the bill icon. Tipina BBC amdanyira chiti. The drafters mentioned section 95, 145 and 158, but those sections of the Constitution of Zimbabwe do not talk about how to lengthen the term, but explains term limits. If you want to extend or lengthen the presidential term, you go to section 328, which is the section that is explaining how to lengthen a term. The reason why they didn't mention section 328 is because it is telling us that the referendum is needed to achieve that. So the bill is unconstitutional. They need to draft another one which follows the constitution in the time, not on EDC side. Though my developments aripo pangano kurono kwa my critics arikuya achicriticize the move irikuitwa neZANU-PF panauima constitutional amendments. But those who crafted the bill, they even don't like the president just because varikumpusha kuita zvinhu zviri unconstitutional. Anytime, any day, my tables they can turn against their president. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pemadevelopments awa. Tikuona kuti ZANU-PF panguva ino iri mubishi kuconvinza mamases kuti ava support ava endorse accept constitutional amendments. Pinda kumasection medu zvafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, on the bell icon.